Hello YouTube and welcome back to Allie's Wonderland Creations. I am Alice Seraphin and I am a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the United States. Welcome to my channel everybody. So this is January 2025's Paper Pumpkin Alternative video number 27A because I'm hoping that the Tic Tac covers will be 27B. So this kind of just like was lickety split quick and I'm like, okay, let me do these in two separate videos, but they should all air together. Hopefully, if I get it all right. So this is going to be a quick one. So this is Hearts for You January 2025's kit. You could have made 3 of this card, 3 of this card, and 3 of this card. You would have gotten the 9 real red envelopes with the label on them. Back here, that QR code would show you how to put the kit together as it is designed. Down here is the coordinating colors. Of course, the visual of everything in the kit. Over here, it would lead you, this QR code leads you to how to purchase the set of 5 dies called Spring is in the Air. This is a better look at them. These two will have images, but we don't know what they are yet until the kit is revealed, and they coordinate with January, February, and March. Let's look at our stamp set. So it has You Have My Heart, You, the solid heart, the outline, the leaf, love, celebrate love, which I have successfully, yes, cut in half, and You're My Favorite, which my daughter would love that if I put that on here, but I'm not going to. And in video number 26, I told you that I had purchased this and I was going to cover this for my daughter for Valentine's because I do just a little something we don't do. I've never done anything big. So let me show you what I have. So I have this scrap piece. You see that heart? This was from the note card I made because see, here's that little punch heart, right? This is from the note card I had made with the set, and this was in my box of goodies, right? And so this is for the Love of Spring dies right there, and this is now going to go back in there, not with my piece on there because I just threw one away and that's the new one. So this, I still have that heart if I wanted to use it. I'm not sure if I will get to or not, but that now can go in here. Love these envelopes. And this now is what we are going to stamp, and we're just going to get to it right now if I can find the real red envelope. You Have My Heart. Yes, you could put You Are My Favorite, and she probably would get a kick and a half out of that. And it's just, yeah, we don't need that. I liked the You Have My Heart. It fit perfectly on here. Look at that, using some of those other paper pumpkin dies to work. You can see my real red ink pad really needs to be done. So this is part of those paper stacks that I bought my Aunt Carol and myself. So, and I have a couple of hearts that I punched out. There should be another one right here with my little heart punch from Stampin' Up. I have some bling. I don't know if I want to use the hearts from this kit or not. And I have this envelope piece, and I'm going to write down the measurements when I get them. And all we're going to do with this, that's from the roses. All we're going to do with this is we're going to make it even. So we're just going to cut off the curve. And it looks like it's going to be 3 1/4 inches. And that's it. So its final measurement, this can go in the recycle bin, will be 3 1/4, let's say by, let's do 3 1/4 by 5 1/2. So let me write that down real quick. Oh, this is not the Tic Tac cover. This is, let's cross out Tic Tac cover. Ghirardelli squares, 2 pack. And what did I say? 3 1/4 by 5 1/2. And that's the envelope back. All right. So this is not going to be difficult, y'all. We are just going to gently wrap this like this here, right? I don't want to do too much on there. There's a little thing, so we're going to put some tear tape on it. If I can find the end of it. I'm going to add some tear tape here. You could score it if you want to. I am not. Okay, pull it nice and snug, and then we're going to add some tear tape on this side, making sure, oh yeah, it's going to cover it perfectly. What a great thing to do with the envelope. The back of the envelope. Talk about quick. If I didn't have to do a review, I could give it to my daughter right now. She'd be eating this up. Okay, so look at that. Perfect, right? So now what I need to do is figure out, so I'm going to chop it right about here. So I'm going to just bend it and see what it is. Don't you love how I measure? Fingernail it, right? So let's put it in here. Let's see. Oh, it's closest to 3. No, a little bit over. That's 3. My mark is there. So we're going to go with 3 1/8 and take a look. Too much. So we're going to go back to 3. I know it's a little too wide. This is why I keep everything. Oh, that's perfect. And then I'm going to take it off of, I don't know if I want it off at this end or that end, but I'm going to take it off at this end a little bit. Where is it at right now? So we're going to take it to 1 3/8. No, 1 5/8. And take a look-see. A little bit more, so we're going to take 1/8 of an inch off of this side. And that'll bring it to 1 3/4. Then I'll have to measure it again. 1 3/4 by, what? 1 3/4 by 3. Perfect. So 1 3/4 by 3. 1 3/4 by 3. And I'm just going to put scrap DSP, your choice. Then we have, you have my heart. Cute, right? That can go there. Where's my little hearts? And then we have that little heart to add, and we have this little heart to add, or I could just add I was going to add those extra little hearts on top of those, just to add that in the center. I think that's cute. All right, and dimensionals. We're working on using up this, so this can get glued down, but let's just go ahead. Just why? Because I can, right? We're just going to add a little bit of tear tape on this. This we're going to pop up on dimensionals because it'll be cute. You guys are wondering if I give my husband anything for Valentine's Day. Absolutely not. He would not appreciate that. He thinks Valentine's Day is a total ripoff. Don't go there. He doesn't mind me doing it for the kids. My son is in the same mindset as him, so that just would not work well. So let's go ahead and add some sponging to this. I mean, why not make it pretty? And I forget all the time to raise my arms off the table. Oh, most definitely. And let's see about adding a little to these hearts. Define the edge a little bit. Much better. See, look. Much better with that little bit of real red around the edge. We're going to put a couple of, oh no, we're not going to put dimensionals on those. This, we're going to put some dimensionals on this though. One, 2, and 3, that should do it. Don't want to like cover it in dimensionals. I mean, it's just going to get opened up and then put in the garbage. So you have my heart. And this one's going to get glued down with a little bit of glue. Here. And this one just needs it on this half. There. And we're going to add a couple of these little pink hearts. I'm going to move those out of the way. Right to the center. Hank could have done this. We didn't get to make cookies. I didn't make cookies yesterday. I need a box of cake mix. And I can't drive to the store. My goodness. So there you have it. Sweet little, easy peasy little gift for my daughter. A little something to give her for Happy Valentine's Day. And now I'm going to figure out what I'm going to use to cover those Tic Tacs. So be back in a second with that. So hope you guys like my cute little Ghirardelli square cover. You could do this with the individual squares one as well. You could, if you did the individual squares, you could stamp the heart, and then if you cut the love, you could do love and make it look like a little conversation heart, or you could stamp, you know, this love. You could do a whole bunch of those, and those would be cute. Anyways, just another idea. So thanks for watching, and I hope you come back here and see part B of 27. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you again here shortly. Bye bye for now, everybody.